Breaking. Welcome to today's news. Here is the headlines. Case dismissed after Trīäl asked Tinubu to release Nnamdi. Court make shocking announcement on IPOB leaders filed suit. Case dismissed after Trīäl asked Tinubu to release Nnamdi. Court make shocking announcement on IPOB leaders filed suit. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. And please do ensure you like, subscribe and share. Now the details. Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja has dismissed a fundamental human rights lawsuit filed by Nnamdi, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, against the federal government. Kanus had sought 1 billion naira in damages from the Attorney General of the Federation and the Department of State Services, DSS, alleging violations of his right during his detention. In his lawsuit, Kanus claimed that the DSS, under its Director General, infringed on his right to a fair hearing by allegedly obstructing his lawyers from freely interacting with him, which he argued hampered his ability to prepare adequately for his defense in criminal proceedings. However, during the judgment delivery, Justice Omotosho ruled that Kanus failed to substantiate his allegations with credible evidence. Specifically, the court found no proof that the DSS obstructed Kanus' access to legal counsel over or eavesdropped on his conversations with his lawyers, thereby violating his right to a fair trial. The lawsuit, filed through Kanus' legal representative Aloy Ejimako, targeted the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Attorney General of the Federation, the DSS, and its Director General as respondent. Kanus sought multiple declarations, including that the DSS actions in seizing and photocopying confidential legal documents meant for his defense were unlawful. He also sought injunctions to prevent such actions in the future and requested 1 billion naira in damages for the emotional, psychological, and other harms he allegedly suffered due to these violations. In response to Kanus' allegations, the DSS, represented by Yamuje Benye from its illegal department, submitted a counter affidavit refuting the claims. Benye asserted that Kanus was held securely but not in solitary confinement, and he was granted regular access to family members and legal counsel on designated visiting days without any interference. Benye further stated that the DSS personnel never seized or copied documents brought by Kanus lawyers and did not obstruct their consultations. He clarified that the security procedures, including routine checks and scanning of items, were standard practices aimed at maintaining the security and integrity of the detention facility. Moreover, Benye highlighted that Justice Bintal Unyako, overseeing Kanus criminal trial, had mandated supervised visit for security reasons, but this visit ensured a comfortable environment for both Kanu and his visitors. In adherence to the State Security Services Standard Operating Procedure (SOP), Benye emphasized that there was no basis for eavesdropping on or recording conversations during this supervised visit, aiming to dispel any concerns regarding privacy breaches. In summary, Justice Omotosho's ruling concluded that Kanus' lawsuit lacked sufficient evidence to support his claims of right violations by the DSS. The court's decision upheld the procedural integrity of the DSS handling of Kanus' detention, emphasizing the importance of adhering to legal standards in safeguarding both security and individual rights within the Nigerian judicial framework. Now we've come to the end of our today's news.